America don dey return Iraq artifact, you know, those Iraq idols. When America see carry take, America don dey return them. In fact, we dey the era of Operation Return People Property. Now we dey now. Operation Return People Property. Germany don dey return the one of Benin. USA now don dey return the one of Iraq. So if you know say you thief anybody property, Operation Return People's Property now. People don dey return wetin they take from people. So you now go return. If you know say you take anybody something, go return. Aye now USA now don dey return the one of Iraq. They don return almost about 100, about 70,000 artifacts wey they collect from Iraq. For those of una wey never watch the video, when they take the talk am hard, they don return reach and many wey they won't see bring again. Oh yeah, take am.
وبالتنسيق والتعاون مع الجهات المعنية في الولايات المتحدة الأمريكية على استرجاع الآثار التي يتم ضبطها في المنافذ الحدودية، أو التي يتم عرضها للبيع في المزادات هناك، والتي جمعت من خلال التنقيب العشوائي من المواقع الأثرية العراقية. تسليم 17,321 قطعة أثرية من الولايات المتحدة الأمريكية. استرداد لوح آشوري من وزارة الأمن الوطني الأمريكي، والذي كان خاضعاً لإجراءات قانونية، ويؤمل استلام اللوح الشهير المسمى لوح قلقامش أو لوح الحلم خلال فترة قصيرة.
You see, with the Operation Return, if you know say you collect anybody property, return now. Anything where you take from anybody, return now. People don't they return. Germany don't return one of Benin. USA now don't they return the one of Iraq. If you know say you be president of any country, all those world power like Russia, all those one. If you know say you take anybody, gods or idol or anything where you know, all those architecture, all those things. Archaeological things, then maybe you pick them before or you just pick now, you know, return now, because with the Operation Return People's Property, you don't hear. Go back to the other news, Joe. Yes, so now returning. DSS don't go attack journalists for Abuja court where they take the judge those Sunday Igboho's aid wey they arrest. Una know journalists before. Journalists, they get the freedom to cover anything where they happen for Nigeria. Now their freedom be that. Now these journalists will never know why DSS attack her. The next thing I be just the attacker. We not just understand for those of us who never watch the video where they just attack the guy. Oh yeah, take him.
Nice one. Hey! Nice one, yeah man, that one. Hey, I beg, auntie.
You see the fight. I not just understand the DSS nowadays. They just they kind of handle people like saying an animal kingdom. This one are journalists. Any secret day where the journalists speak when una make them the attacker, at least if any hidden agenda not there, I'm not sure say this kind of kasala where they happen so go happen. Inside court, at least not be say the journalist get one thing when he hide for somewhere where go make the attacker. We have the freedom of press. At least you have the freedom to cover anything. DSS, they don't understand that language again. Now anybody they just the attack they deal with. This one are journalists. If una know so na get secret when the journalists see when they make una the attacker, which means say Nigeria not dey safe. Not be animal kingdom we dey law, we dey side country, and this country so now law they govern the country. You can't just attack a journalist like this. Even though if you have anything, when you get anything where the journalist see or he pass any wrong information, fine. But this guy na never come out. If he capture something, when you go just attack journalists like this, I beg. This country, it be like country where law not dey. This kind thing, journalists again. In fact, this one not even new one before, but he dey new because DSS now they do this one too. DSS. Now I come the attack people like this. Now let's see now. Let's go back to the other news. Kenya don't come out. They can produce electronic machine. In fact, Kenya they tell you say they won't move. Come up from fuel. Anything we got to do with fuel. Say, in fact, they don't get time for fuel again. In fact, they don't want to receive fuel. Say the only way they get time for now. Now to do with it, now to follow, they want to enter the industrialization, so they don't produce their own machine where they use electronics, they charge them. In fact, this one good for those of us that whenever I watch the video when they present the electronic machine. Oh yeah, take care.
To compare, when I used the petrol-driven motorbikes, I could save $20 in a month. Now with the electric bike, I can save about $80. changing the batteries cost less than half of what I spent on fuel.
These people are not bringing the original spare parts. And if you find the original spare parts, they are a little bit expensive. So we would go for other cheaper spare parts that tear and wear very fast.
The biggest challenge will be making the prices competitive compared to the fossil fuel counterparts. So we know how affordable these are, but we are really working towards solving that by making sure that these bikes are built here, designed here by our engineers. Just overall makes it very, very much cheaper.
The big question is which kind of bike goes faster? And the best way to find out is with a race. The electric bike is quicker off the start line, it's got much better acceleration, and as it gathers speed, it certainly feels fast. And I'm holding a camera in one hand and clinging on for dear life with the other. But all of the riders we've spoken to are asking how quickly can these bikes become available.
You see, correct. I better put the Kenya president. I tell you, this guy, put the Kenya president. Okay, you be correct guy. In fact, your country dey move. In fact, now they develop. You not lead to this one. The summit, the educational conference summit where you go see go there, go do another one. In fact, they do better. I hear you, the correct guy. The correct guy. That conference, when our President Buhari go, so this guy go. But when the guy go, the guy use they sign health contract with international body. They call representative. For those of you whenever watch the video when they sign that one, the guy they sign now. Oh yeah, take him.
Well done. Well done. Well done. Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you. Now it is delivery. Yes.
You see, you see how they sign the contract with international bodies with their own country, made at least take over the health system within their country. When you get leader wey know what they do, they always try to take advantage of every small opportunity we get. When everybody they go there, they go for another purpose. So if they go there, they think twice. Now be waiting this man do so. And when also you go, I bet put our president there, who be person of boo boo, put him. You see how people go the same place where you go. So on the same, they carry, they make contract. They sign contract with other country. They go sign agreement with other country. Make they go develop their own. Your own na health. Na health you go for. Now when that man now, that Kenyan president now, if he reach the country now, he just what he go tell the people. and our own wetin you wan come tell us now. We dey wait o. We dey wait. We dey wait. In fact, you know the quick dey come because but this one we dey wait. Wetin you go there go do come tell us. Make we still come here at least. Papa dey there. When Papa go somewhere, Papa dey the way. Papa wetin you bring? We dey wait. Don't just dey look me like that. Don't dey look me ahi. Don't dey look me ahi. E dey vex me. Me wey be your pikin, I dey wait make you bring something come. You dey look me ahi. This your look no dey sweet me. Bring something come from that summit where you go so. That na educational summit where you go. Bring something come. Na na conference abi na summit. My papa go somewhere if you dey come. Go bring something. Maybe we dey wait for Bubu. I hear say he dey come back very soon. Let's go over to the other news, Joe. Okay, now hear me go to stop for today. For those of you who never subscribe to my channel, wait till I see they wait for. Subscription are free. Subscription just be like where they say follow me on social media. Follow me for Facebook where they write follow me and I say CB. So but this one YouTube call use the word subscribe now free. When you touch the word, that word where they say subscribe soon, me say na free. You know they collect money. YouTube not the deduct. You not get anything to do with your bank account. Just me say you dey among my friends for YouTube. Just to be my friends for YouTube. So now just to touch that one, me and you go become friends on YouTube. So follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Every news for Omega 123H. Now,